Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to illustrate lecture number 24. We have already discussed 23 lectures and I have uploaded 23 videos in the series. I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched them yet, then watch them and then come back to this one. If you are new at this channel, then subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell. Now in this particular lecture 24 I am going to illustrate the image tag. So here I just created a structure and the image tag is placed inside the body and I have discussed the background image and background image both are the different things. Background image I have already discussed in previous videos and it is placed in the body tag and it is an attribute of body tag, but in the case of image tag is separate tag and it itself has attributes. So here we can see here in the body, inside the body element, we are having image tag. IMG stands for image, SRC stands for source. Image source equals to, I have written here fameword.png. I just remove it. I'm just removing it. I'm just removing everything. So width, height, these are the attributes. Alt, that is alternative text. These all are here. So suppose we want to put an image, we just copy the name of the image like it's here in the folder and I've just copied the name. I've just copied the name and because it is in the same folder in which the file is existing. This is very noticeable thing that when we are having the file and the image in the same folder, then we just copy the name and add the extension there. So in the case the file is not in the same folder, then what we should do, I will tell in this video after some time. So please keep watching the video till the end. I will tell you this thing after elaborating this particular when the file is in the same folder, then what should we do, and when the file is not in the same folder, I will tell you afterwards within few minutes. So let's see. SRC is the source from where I am or we are placing the file. This is the file. Then width. The width is the particular width of the image. So let's say I have given 200 pixel and let's say the height is 200 pixels. So I am defining the height and width of the image. Which image? This framework.png. Alt stands for alternative text. Whenever it happens that the image is not available or the image is unable to be loaded on the web browser, then the alternative text appear in the place of the image. If we do not give this, then nothing appears. But if we give the alternative text, then when the image is missing or image is unable to be loaded, then this alternative text appears. So now let's see the browser. So here we can see the lecture number 24 and I'm just, yes, so you can see there is the image framework. So as soon as we increase the size, let's say 500 by 200, so it's 500 is the width and 200 is the height. Now let's increase the height, let's 300 be the height and 500 the width, then we can see like this. So it's up to us, we can just decide the size of the image. And here's an option of alignment also. If we want to align the image, align left, right, center. So left is a default position alignment and now I am aligning it towards the right. The alignment is right, so you can see that the image is on the right of the browser. If I align the image at center, so we will get the image at, sorry, okay, if we want to align the image left or right, we can use the alignment tag. Otherwise we can use the center tag to align this particular image to the center. So the attributes for the image alignment are left and right only, and the default alignment of the image is left. So if we want to place the image at the center of that document or the web page, then we just have to use the center tag before and close the center tag after the image tag, like this. I hope this particular thing is clear to you. I hope you are understanding. Now, one more thing is there to be told. That is, here I have used pixels. So let it be like 50 pixel by, let's say, 30 pixel. So now I'm refreshing it, and now you can see the size of the images decrease. Now if I'm just, you know, changing the size of the browser, the image is always at the center. You can see. So now if we are giving the pixels, then, oh sorry, if we were giving the pixels, then the size of the image was much smaller, like this, because it is just taking the pixels. But if we give the percentage sign here, if we give the percentage sign else of the pixels, then the size will increase definitely. Why? Let's align the image at right and the left, and I will elaborate this particular thing. So just go to the browser. It's now left aligned. Now you can see that I have given 50 by 30, means, let's say 50 by 50, means the image is occupying 50% of this particular width, 50% of this particular browser. So if we give 60, then it will occupy some more space of the browser, and it will be occupying 60% of the browser. Similarly, 80%, now 80% of the browser, and if we give the value 100%, then it will occupy 100% of the browser. Simply, I hope you are getting the concept that whenever we give the percentage sign, then the image is occupying the percentage of the browser, the percentage of the web browser, the window size. So like I have given the size width 10 and height 10, then it will occupy only 10% of the browser from the width and the height also. But whenever we are talking about the pixel, when we are talking about the pixel, it's just defining the size of the image actually. It just defines the size of the image actually. So you can see the 10 pixels is so small. So let's say, because it's just taking 10 pixels in the width and 10 pixels on the height. But if we give 100 by 100, the size would be increased somehow. That is, pixels are the original pixels and the image size. But when we are talking and giving talking about percentage and giving the percentage sign here, then it's occupying the window, the size of the window as 100 by 100, then it's taking the whole window. It's covering width 100% and the height 100%. I hope you're getting the concept. If you are having any confusion in this particular concept, then please send your query in the comment box. I will love to solve your problems. And if you are having any suggestions for the next video, for the upcoming videos, then please put your suggestions in the comment box. I will come to that, and I will just try to make videos on your topic soon. So now, as I have said that I will discuss the concept, if the image is in another folder, then what should we do to place it? So let's go to that particular thing. Let's make some other folder. Let's say the here's a folder, and the name is image, like this. And let's place this particular image in this particular folder. Now let's check first of all that if the file here, as we have given framework.png and we haven't specified that particular path, and now the image is not in this particular folder which is containing the file of the this lecture number 24. Now the folder which is containing lecture number 24 is not containing the image file. So what would appear? What would be appearing on the web page? Let's check it out. You can see FW, that is the same word, that is FW, what is FW? I have given the alternative text here, FW. If we do not give FW and the image is missing, like the case is here, then what will happen? Nothing would be written. So it's just like an indication we give to the user, like I have wrote same word here. So when the image is missing, then this particular alternative text appear on the browser. And now let's see the concept. When the image is in another folder, then what should we do? So here, the image is in another folder. We just have to copy this particular path. We just have to copy, or we can say just copy the properties. We'll go to the properties and copy the location from here, or we can copy this particular location from here too. Both things are similar. First of all, we can copy the location from here, or second thing is that we can copy the location from properties of the image and just location, copy it, and just go to the HTML page, paste it here, and just put the slash sign here and the name of the image, and that is framework.png. I've just given it. Now let's go to the browser. Here, lecture number 24, and now you can see this is here. Now I hope you are getting the point that if the image is in the same folder, then we just have to give the name of the file. But if the image is in another folder, then we have to give the complete location of the file, and then we have to put the name of the file itself. I hope these concepts are clear to you. If you are having any confusion, then please drop the query in the comment box. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. And if you are a subscriber, then thanks for subscribing. Keep sharing. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.